Hello, Saloni ma'am. I shared the live link. Let people join. Let us wait for a couple of minutes. Today we are going to do the Thai art. Saloni ma'am, is everything visible? And am I audible? Hello, Dipti ma'am. Can you please give me a thumbs up if everything is audible and visible? Okay. So this was the article which was there on the flyer. For today's class, we will be needing our acrylic colors. These are the metallic colors. This is the 3D liners, and this is our fabric glue. It is completely optional. I will not be using anything. I will be just needing black color and golden color. These are the two things which I will be needing today. But I have kept it because if in case anyone wants to give a different look, then they must be using that. This is the article. This is Thai art. This is actually very auspicious art. You can gift it to someone. It is very auspicious to hang on our main gates and everything. Even in our offices also. This I have made on the aluminium plate, which we generally get in the marriages or something. जो sweets के लिए people generally give. So I have used that plate to create this. You can create it on MDF or canvas, plate, whatever you want to take, you can take. It is absolutely okay. I have already traced my design and I have shared the design on our group also. I am not doing this design. I am doing a leaf design today. So that I have shared on the group. If you want any other design, that also I shared. Let us start with the article. I am taking golden color. There are 2 to 3 ways how we can start with the Thai art, or how we can do the Thai art. There are 2-3 ways in which we can do. Generally people, what they do, they fill the golden color in the last. But what I am doing, I am filling the golden color. Hello Sushma ma'am. I am starting with the golden color itself. Because golden dries fast. And then we will do black color, because black is a very dominant color. Sometimes it avoids our, sometimes it spoils our article. So I am doing with the golden color first. As we move, I'll tell you the other way also how to do. The article. I'm starting off with my golden color. I'm filling the golden color where I want to, where the design was. We are going to do 3D liner on above this. So I am doing in a fast mode because we don't want any kind of neat and clean effect. We are giving a golden base because if we do 3D liner above this, so it should not, if the 3D liner there is gaps, तो नीचे व्हाइट कलर विजिबल ना होके गोल्डन कलर दिखेगा. दैट इज द पर्पस ऑफ फिलिंग द गोल्डन कलर. अदरवाइज हम इसको डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते थे. It is always best to do with golden color first and then do the remaining colors. The main colors which are used in Thai art are red, black and golden. अभी थोड़ा सा blue भी आ गया है. If you will search on net, so you will see that blue is also coming. But previously it was done with black, red and golden color only. I'm just quickly filling the golden color in the design which I have traced. You can see I'm not doing it in a very neat way because I just need to fill it. As this art will progress, you will able to know why I'm filling like this. No, Sushma ma'am, white will not be visible. We'll do the black color. We have to do 3D liner on this. That is why I'm starting with golden color. And the main purpose of starting with golden color is that it is in between. अगर हम corners का या black color fill करेंगे तो golden color करने में problem होगी. As it is winter, so color takes time to dry. Mainly Thai art में trees, leaves या God के patterns ही होते हैं. Mainly it is related to Buddhism. बुद्धा के statues मिलेंगे आपको when you generally see. If you search about Thai art तो आपको Buddhism का सारे it is used in temples. Thank you Bhakti ma'am. Hello ma'am, hello Jules ma'am. I think you are new in the group. You just need to carefully see the spaces in between कि हम उसमें कलर ना करें. This is a very small article. Thai art is generally बहुत बड़े articles बनते हैं Thai art में. 36 by 24 के जो थोड़े बड़े articles होते हैं generally वही बनते हैं. This is just a miniature kind you can say. finish with one side of the leaf. I'm starting off with the second side. I have not traced this design, it is hand drawn. I generally believe in making the design. And it was quite easy to make. अगर time बचा तो I'll tell you how I've drawn it. It hardly took 2 to 3 minutes. Any questions till now? Are you able to see that I have given some texture on this MDF? Once I finish the golden color, then I'll tell you. I've given the texture with fabric glue as it was given in the on the pic which I shared in the group. That was a Google pic. That was original Thai art, and now this we are creating with the help of the Fevikwik colors. Let's see how we can justify it. Guys, I have received wonderful submissions of the red sari girl. And there's a lot of improvement in the work. Majorly, there's a lot of improvement in the work. Yes, yes, Supriya ma'am, you can use gold, silver, copper. मैं कॉपर कलर लेके बैठी थी बट मुझे ध्यान नहीं रहा, मैंने सिल्वर गोल्ड गोल्ड कलर ही कर दिया. We are finished with the golden color. Now, are you able to see the texture? I created texture with Fevicol और fabric glue. अभी जब इसके ऊपर कलर करेंगे हम तो then I think it will be visible. अभी वो visible नहीं हो रहा है. जो मैंने फ्लायर पे कह रही हूँ, जो मैंने ग्रुप में इसका गूगल पिक शेयर की है उसके अंदर सिल्वर ही हुआ होगा. सुप्रिया मैम, आई विल बी टेलिंग यू हाउ टू क्रिएट टेक्सचर. मैं एक बार ब्लैक फिनिश करूँ फिर आई विल बी टेलिंग यू हाउ टू क्रिएट द टेक्सचर. इनफैक्ट मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं नेक्स्ट वीक जो क्लास प्लान करूंगी, जब मैं इसको टेक्सचर दे रही थी तो मैं यही सोच रही थी कि आई विल टीच यू टू क्रिएट डिफरेंट टेक्सचर्स. नेक्स्ट जो सेक्शन में रखूंगी उसमें आई वाज थिंकिंग टू टीच क्रिएटिंग डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ टेक्सचर्स, क्योंकि अगर हम बड़ी पेंटिंग्स बनाते हैं तो उसके अंदर विदाउट टेक्सचर्स पेंटिंग नहीं बनती है. मैं एक बार ही ब्लैक कलर खत्म करूं, देन आई विल टीच यू हाउ आई हैव डन टुडे. एंड नेक्स्ट सेशन प्रोबेबली मैं यही प्लान करूंगी टू हाउ टू क्रिएट द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ टेक्सचर्स. इनफैक्ट मैं अपनी 2-3 बड़ी पेंटिंग्स आपको दिखाऊंगी जिसके अंदर टेक्सचर्स क्रिएट किए हुए हैं. सी सुषमा, व्हाट यू वर सेइंग है कि व्हाइट कलर विजिबल, व्हाइट कलर कहीं पर भी विजिबल नहीं होगा. आई एम डूइंग इट ऑन MDF and I have given 2 coats of white. So whenever you are working on MDF, please give 2 coats of white. Whenever you do an article, make sure कि आप उसको सेंटर से स्टार्ट करें, क्योंकि अगर सेंटर से स्टार्ट करोगे तो आपका हाथ जो यहाँ पे ऐसे हुआ है, यहाँ पे हमने इसको टिकाया हुआ है, तो वो कलर स्मच नहीं होगा. अगर आप कॉर्नर से आर्टिकल स्टार्ट करोगे तो कलर वेट होने के कारण आर्टिकल आपका खराब हो जाएगा. These are small tips but quite useful. मैं भी एक छोटे ब्रश से I'm filling the inner details. This article I wanted to share that this article is done by my daughter. She's 12 years old. This article, complete article, is done by my daughter. And she gifted this to her father on this Diwali for his office. मैंने अपने हस्बैंड से उनके ऑफिस से मंगवाया है on दिवाली पूजन उसने उस हस्बैंड को एक गिफ्ट दिया था. I think when you also do, your kids must also be enjoying and seeing. तो अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि फिनिशिंग नहीं है, जब when we do 3D liner तो उससे फिनिशिंग आ जाएगी सारी. अभी we are just doing the rough work, creating the base. नहीं सुषमा, शी इज नॉट अ पेंटर, बस उसको मेरे को देख देख के शी इज ऑल्सो डेवलप इंटरेस्ट. एंड आई थिंक मेरे ख्याल से गर्ल्स में थोड़ा इनबिल्ट भी होता है आर्ट, डिवोशन टुवर्ड्स आर्ट इज, आई थिंक इट इज इनबिल्ट इन गर्ल्स. All the articles which we generally do, I always make her select from her. जो भी Google की पिक निकालती है वही मेरी डॉटर ही निकालती है. Ma'am, I'm just finishing off with black color. Then I'll be telling how to create the texture. Is the texture visible? ये मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि शायद it is not visible. These kind of paintings actually takes time. It is very difficult to finish these kind of paintings in 1 hour class. I'm moving on fast mode क्योंकि otherwise I'll not be able to finish it. Once I'll fill the inner details, then I'll do with a big brush to cover the extra part. Guys, is the texture visible? I know this must be very boring to see just filling one color. We're just about to finish. Whenever you do the coloring part, make sure that you cover this portion. I'm not doing it right now because मेरे को पकड़ने में फिर दिक्कत होगी. बट आप लोग प्लीज उसको साथ साथ ही कवर कर लेना. एक बार इनर माइन्यूट डिटेल्स हो जाए, then this portion is quite easy. ये तो फटाफट हो जाता है. picture which was there, the Google pic was a square one, and this is a rectangle. We are done with the black part. I hope you guys are able to see. Thank you, Sudoni ma'am. Is the texture visible now? Yes, it is visible. Till the time it dries, I'll show you how I created this texture. This was quite simple. मेरे पास MDF board नहीं है. Thank you, Sushma ma'am. I'll tell you on this only. This is our fabric fabric glue, fabric glue. इसके अंदर what I created is on corners. I just scribbled like this. I just scribbled. At the corners, I just did like this. Like this. You can create any design. This way I put fabric glue on the sides, and then I left it for drying. It took around 2 to 3 hours. Then when it completely dried, you can just touch it, and when you think it's completely dry, then it is ready to work. I hope you got it. How I created the texture. This is known as a Fevicol texture. You can create it on big paintings and anything. It gives a 3D effect. Now is the work for a 3D liner. There is one more suggestion, that if in case anyone does not have this 3D liner, or sometimes you don't find the golden color, so what you can do is, जो वर्क अब हम 3D लाइनर से कर रहे हैं, from the starting जो हमने golden color भरा है, you don't need to fill the golden color if you are doing with the fabric glue. You just completely fill it with the fabric glue, the design of the leaf. You completely fill it with fabric glue, then you keep it for drying. Then when it get dried, then what you can do, then you can apply the golden color. Ultimately what we want is the effect of the golden color. What 3D liner gives us, 3D liner gives the 3D effect. तो जो 3D effect है वो हमारा fabric glue दे देगा. There is no need of the 3D liner. This is the option I am giving. If someone is not having the 3D liners, sometimes it happens कि 3D liner नहीं है, तो you can do this way out. सबसे पहले fabric glue apply करो पूरे में. Just fill it with the fabric glue, the whole design. Leave it for drying. Then apply the golden color. It will give a 3D look. अगर आप इसमें देखोगे इसमें से मैंने 3 लाइनर से ही किया हुआ है, but this effect, the line effect, you can create it with the fabric glue. Then fill the golden color. It will give the same effect. अगर आपको लगता है कि फैब्रिक ग्लू का कोन थोड़ा सा ज्यादा मोटा है तो what you can do is you can fill this glue in the cone. Now we'll start doing our work with the 3D liner. It is always advisable to clean the knob before using. Just clean the knob of the liner, and what we'll do is we'll fill it completely. And the line effect which is visible, it will give a 3D effect, so no worries for that. Just create the boundaries as I always say, and then fill in between. Whenever you use 3D liners, make sure that you touch the surface. It is very necessary to touch the surface because 3D liners is basically color and Fevicol only. So it is very necessary to touch the surface, because if you will not touch the surface, what will happen? It will just chip off. Sometimes it gets chip off. So it is always advisable that you touch the surface while using 3D liners. I think this is the first time we are using 3D liners in our classes. Now you need to take care to give the definite shape. Any doubts till here? It is advisable to just leave it for overnight to get the best results, because it generally takes time to dry. Otherwise it dries in 2 to 3 hours, but as we are filling the complete leaves, so it will take time. So Shamam, it is completely optional that you want to fill it or the complete leaves, or you want to create the lines and then you have to you want to give the line effect in between, like this. In this I have just given the outlining, and then I have not filled it. I have just created patterns in between. But in this article द पिक विच आई हैव शेयर्ड उसके अंदर ये पूरा फिल्ड था, तो आई वांटेड टू क्रिएट समथिंग सिमिलर टू दैट और आई वांटेड टू शो बोथ द इफेक्ट्स। इससे आप लोगों को दोनों इफेक्ट समझ आ जाएंगे कि फिलिंग का क्या इफेक्ट रहता है एंड गिविंग आउटलाइनिंग का क्या इफेक्ट रहता है। बिकॉज जब आप आर्टिकल देखोगे तो आपको दोनों का फर्क पता चल जाएगा, तो इट इज बेटर कि आप दोनों का जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे यू कैन डू दैट। Again and again you need to clean the norm. I'm just finishing off with one side first. Just make sure that you create the peak of the leaf. It is quite difficult to use 3D liners at winters because it generally freezes. I'm just cleaning the knob in between. I'll be doing half side with the 3D liner in the class. I finished with the halfway. Now what I'm doing, I'm taking golden color. Putting some golden color in my finger only. And I'm just applying on the texture. Where I created the texture, I'm just applying on that. You can give this with sponge also. You can do it once it gets dried. Don't do it now. I'll share this picture once it is completely finished. And I think dried also, so maybe by tomorrow I'll share this article's pic in the group. If you want, you can give it with red also. Once it will get dry, then I'll see if I can give it red. I'll use red on the texture. Now we have time, 5-7 minutes left. Let me finish this also. This is how it is looking. It is half done. I have it 7-8 minutes left. Let me finish this side also. Thank you, Suloni ma'am. Hi Saiba ma'am, you were late. The article is about to finish. Once it gets dry, if this golden, I've taken also, sorry, I've taken this powder also with me. मैं देखती हूँ अगर once it dries तो क्या पता मैं इसके अंदर powder apply कर दूँ, the golden powder which comes. Guys, do submit the article in 2-3 days whenever convenient, and if you have any problem in submitting, you can always contact me on personal. It is completely no issue. Clean the nozzle. Regularly clean the nozzle in between. I think I'll be able to finish this article within the time period. Working with 3D liner becomes very easy when you fill it in a cone. Because pressing this, यहाँ पे दर्द होना शुरू हो जाता है. So it was always better if you fill this in a cone, and the work becomes very simple that way. I'm filling it with the help of the nozzle only. Once everything will dry, I'll give one coat here also on the texture created. I'll share its pic tomorrow when it completely dries. Because abhi it will give a rough look. I think I'll be able to finish this article within the time period. I was not sure. मुझे लग रहा था कि I'll take more time. You can take any design of your choice. It is not necessary that you have to take this design only. Any question, guys? I'm just cleaning the knob in between. Article is finished. This is the bronze color. If you want to do with bronze, you can take the bronze color also. If silver, you can take the silver color also. It is completely your choice. This is the article we have created today. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा golden रह गया. I'll apply it. I hope you like the article. And we have completed it within the time period, our time 4 to 5. We'll be meeting tomorrow with the canvas painting of the Starry Night. Till then, bye bye. See you all tomorrow. And I'll post this article in the group once it dries. Then I'll post it. I hope no questions. If any question, then I'll answer. Otherwise, I'll close the session. Thank you, Saloni ma'am. We'll be meeting tomorrow. Bye bye. See you everyone tomorrow.